Hi guys, today we are now in Shenzhen, and I will show you our room for the next 4 days. We are staying at Cybo Station, located on Shenzhen East Road in the Luohu District. We booked this on Klook for only 3,599 pesos per day. And to save you money, use my Klook code chrislawsin to get an additional discount. Now let me show you our room. As you see, we have a king-size bed with soft and comfy pillows and a TV in front of it. Along this side, we have a kettle and teapot with complimentary water, glasses, mugs, and tea. Below this table, there's a mini refrigerator stocked with additional complimentary drinks, and everything inside is all free. Now let's return to the bed area. We have 2 side tables, and one of it has a tablet that you can use and control all the lights and other electronic devices inside the room. There's also 2 single sofas with a table along the window where we can enjoy the view outside the room. Now, let's open this cabinet beside the door. We have here a slippers, a shoe cloth cleaner, short, and a polo shirt in place of a bathrobe, which is particularly useful if you did not bring sleepwear. Now, let's move to the bathroom. Upon entering, the first things you'll see are a vanity mirror and a sink below it. And on the left side, there are a hairdryer, a magnifying mirror, and toiletries like a toothbrush and toothpaste. Now let me show you the toilet bowl. Amazing, right?
Wow.
They have a modern toilet like the ones in Japan, and you can control the water and clean your private parts using the remote on the left side. Next, let's proceed to the shower room, which is stocked with additional toiletries like shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And that's it for our room tour here at Cybo Station. I hope this helps you choose the perfect hotel for your Shenzhen stay. Thanks you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.